Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to listen Spotify with your friends on Discord. Now, there are two different ways. So the first way is to start a remote group session. For this, you will need to have a Spotify Premium on mobile and tablet. Now, this is just for the person that is sharing the group session or that is sharing the songs, right? So if I want to share songs, I need to have Premium on mobile or tablet. Now, how to start a remote group session and invite your friends. Now, keep in mind, once you invite your friends, again, they don't have to have Premium, but if you have Premium, you can control basically the songs that they listen to. So then you open Spotify, you play something on your mobile and or on your tablet, and then you start a remote group session. Obviously tap on this icon at the bottom of the screen, start a remote group session, and you can tap to invite friends. And then as you can see, or if you want to invite additional friends after you started a group session, tap on the avatar at the bottom of the screen and tap plus sign. Then you can select how you want to share. You choose copy link and then you send it to your friends via Discord. This is probably the best way to do it. And as you can see now, invited friends can listen on their own device. Now you can also leave or end a remote group session by doing this right here. Now the second way is to actually share a screen with an audio, and then people in your Discord will be able to listen to your songs. Now there are also third thing that you can do, and that is to basically, go to Discord and connect your Spotify. Now, once you connect your Spotify, as you can see, if you connect your Spotify account to Discord, info will be visible on both the mini profile and the full profile right here. Now, how you can do that? You just go, obviously, you need to you need to connect Spotify. So you go to user settings, connections, you click on the Spotify logo, then you connect the Spotify, right? And then once all is done, you see a successful message like this. And here you will be able to put, display on your profile and then display Spotify as your status as well. Now, as you can see, you can choose to toggle your Spotify name on your profile or to toggle displaying Spotify as your status, right? Now, as you can see, important note, if you're transmitting with your mic in voice chat for 30 seconds while Spotify is playing, Spotify will stop playing. So this is something that you have to consider. And then you can invite friends to listen, right? To invite friends to listen, they'll need to have Spotify Premium, right? Or, they will receive an error, right? So this is just for Spotify Premium users. And then you can obviously invite the friends and you will be able to, you'll be able to listen, or your friends will be able to listen Spotify. Now, these are three different ways, even if you have Premium. And these are three different ways basically. So if you have Premium and if you're sharing with your friends, they can listen even if they have free or Premium. So that's why I wanted to show you these three ways. So yeah, if you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.